Hello, today we will guide you through how to use LuxAlgo SuperTrend AI. To get started, open your browser and go to the LuxAlgo website, which is the AI algorithmic trading platform. Once the page loads, take a moment to let everything fully appear on screen so it's easier to find the right menu options. Starting from the main website is important because it gives you direct access to LuxAlgo's tools, indicators, and library resources all in one place. Next, look toward the top right area of the page and click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools and scripts, so if you're trying to locate a specific indicator, like SuperTrend AI, this is the correct place to go. If the page takes a second to respond, just wait for it to finish loading before moving on. Once you're inside the library, find the search area and type in SuperTrend AI. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the search results are as accurate as possible. Using the search bar helps save time, especially if the library contains a large number of tools and indicators. After that, look through the results and find SuperTrend AI. Make sure you select the correct item with the exact or closest matching name. This step matters because there may be other tools with similar names, and you want to open the one specifically labeled SuperTrend AI. When you find it, click on SuperTrend AI to open its dedicated page. This is where you'll typically see more information about the tool, along with the options needed to access and apply it. If you want, you can briefly review the page before continuing so you know you're on the correct indicator. Next, click on Get Access. This step allows you to move forward with enabling the tool for your account or workspace. Depending on how the page is set up, you may need to wait a moment for the access option to process. Just follow the on-screen flow and continue once it becomes available. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This is the step that places SuperTrend AI onto your chart so you can begin working with it directly in your TradingView. Once applied, you should see the indicator appear on the chart interface, allowing you to start analyzing trends with the tool. That's it. You've successfully located LuxAlgo SuperTrend AI, accessed it, and added it to your chart. If needed, you can revisit the library anytime to find it again.